Alright, so we leave for Japan like tomorrow. She's been packing all week. She was like, we're gonna bring only 2 carry-ons and like some extra stuff, but she's been packing and she's like, I think we need a check-in because you know how she is. So I have to pack the toiletries now, which is fine. Let me show you how I've been doing packing. I haven't even started. It's gonna take like 2 minutes to pack for an international trip. I own nothing. I have 1 pair of shoes. But apparently I'm gonna be demoted from a carry-on to a duffel bag. I don't even know I could fit all my stuff into this duffel bag.
No one I told you to put in a check-in. What don't you understand?
During our trip, I'm getting demoted to the duffel bag. That's the thing.
No, you could put it in there for the first few days.
That's what I'm saying. The last few days, I'm getting demoted to a duffel bag.
You can't fit 4 days worth of stuff in there?
Yeah, I can.
Then what's the problem? Because
I want my carry-on, but you don't want to carry anything.
Why are you being like this?
Alright, vlog. So we compromised. Obviously, you know what the compromise is.
What?
What do you think, huh?
I like it.
She wanted me to move everything into the duffel bag, just so when we move around, she has to carry nothing. Look at my cute little girl. Hands-free. I should grab her backpack, shouldn't I? Right, my baby finally got one of those fancy credit cards that cost a couple hundreds a year, and we got the lounge next, but they're all under construction, and China Airline doesn't allow her in until after 6.
No, oh yeah, no, after
China
3.
Airline, after 3.
It used to be 6 a.m. and they moved it to 3.
Right?
But at first it was working fine.
God damn. Sure it is. The Japanese bidet. Wow.
Is that lame of me?
She likes the McDonald's bag.
Yeah. Okay, let's go.
Yeah, the view of the buildings next door and the street below. It's pretty tiny. Little couch, table, chair, 2 twins, and the bathroom. Oh, TV.
Want to change into the sleepers?
Oh, small little sink area. Small shower area. With the rain. Ooh, the daytime. I'm gonna wash my butt. Strawberry daifuku pie.
And this is a lemon tartar bacon cheeseburger. Well, hello ripped up the bag.
7-Eleven, the next stop. Alright, we're now in a Family Mart, and what do you see? Black clover. Yeah, black clover. That's all I see right here.
Conbini Hall. Vlog.
Tell me what they are.
Okay, so we went to 2 different places. We went to 7-Eleven first, and then I got this salmon onigiri, and then you got a sardines and Japanese pepper one. I don't think this is an onigiri. This is just a rice ball.
Which is an onigiri.
Is it? Oh,
yeah.
I don't know. And then this intrigued me because it was peach squash. It looked pretty. And then we went to Family Mart, and then I saw this strawberry mochi thing. And then I also saw this creme brulee. It looked really good. So that's our dessert.
She
This
likes
pretty good.
She likes the creaminess.
The mochi part on the outside is so soft.
Yeah. Everything here, $1 to $2.
Very good.
Yeah, that's right, vlog. I'm getting my butthole cleaned. Wow, she's amazed at this coffee contraption. It's a self-dripping thingy. Making her coffee. And what she also likes is button pressing showers. So you press the buttons to turn it on like that. Yeah, but this hotel has a lot of lights in it. Go to Shinjuku for the day. I'm not editing that. I keep it real, 100%. Oh my god. And just some quick hotel B-rolls. We're on the 9th floor.
Mood.
But they have like so many buttons, like 3 different areas to hit what floor you're on.
Yep. In case you don't want to ask someone
Yeah.
to move over.
Yeah.
And look at this.
Yeah, we're in Ginza.
Cute bear.
Alright.
Amigo.
Prada. Look at this little cutie. She's enjoying her morning. It's 8 a.m. We're heading out.
We're heading out.
Pikachu. Oh yeah. Wow.
Please change here for Quijote. 左に曲がります。ご注意ください。
Alright, we're gonna go to the Shinjuku garden after we have some brunch.
Picture me under that tree.
Under that tree?
Yeah, like-
Alright. Keep walking.
Oh wait, the petals are falling.
Okay. She likes this. The petals are falling. They're on the floor. She
your
loves
turn.
this. Look at her. She wants to get a haircut here or something.
Let's do a soda head small. The green onion ginger one.
Mm-hmm. Wow, she wants to eat this soba, but it looks like ramen instead of soba.
Ginger, garlic, no. Ginger, green onion. Chicken nuggies.
We're number 12 in line. This is a little chicken nugget.
The Sekaido milk bread. Delicious.
She's-
Look at the bread. How spongy and soft it is. The cream is so like, it's like not too sweet. It's just right.
So far, all the bread slaps.
They do.
She loves these convenience store food.
Oh, good. Less than $1.
Yeah, but we're gonna be eating there in an hour. Did you see the Demon Slayer things? Look right here. It's Rengoku and Tanjiro.
Is it a pen? Chopsticks? A sword?
She's chilling in this giant building full of art supplies. You got city lights of people. She wants a donut from Starbucks.
Alright, let's try her. Someone show Sherry, see if she wants one.
Okay, then take the other one.
Strawberry. Oh no, I want that one.
Alright, she wants.
Pistachio mousse. So this one, and that one.
Alright.
And that one.
Alright, let's just get it all later then.
Yeah, that's for later.
She likes this clock. This is a weed store full of weeds. She wants what?
Chicken cutlet with sauce.
She wants chicken cutlet and a ramen?
Yeah.
Yeah, look at her. Alright, we're about to go eat soba though. She likes how the strawberries look.
They look so pretty.
Yeah, they are pretty red. She's a little cutie. We're in a grocery store. We see like barbecue flavored Cheetos. Barbecue Cheetos. We got what was it? Corn Doritos. Oh yeah, taco Doritos. Also, there's like a lot of fat in the meat, and the meat doesn't look as red, and like a lot of meat is really pinkish. It's not as reddy. Wow. There's a long line just to get into the cherry blossom place. It is full and packed.
That was okay. I got one in English and in Japanese.
Okay. Alright, bring a Suica card, the line's shorter.
Yes.
Wow. Look at all the people. Look at her copying me, taking a video, taking videos.
Here, take off your mask.
It's up to you. Alright, we're here.
Get me.
We
Let's
see
do a selfie.
see the cherry blossoms. We paid extra to come here on this time. This is blossoming mid-March, late March, mid-April.
Come here, babe.
Alright.
It's in almost.
Tips almost into the water, yeah?
It's okay.
Yeah. Look at my cute little baby. We got the kid area playing right here. The ground is filled with cherry blossoms. The ground. And we're gonna head over there. Look at all those kids. It's a weekday. Do they not have school right now? It's just summer?
It's not spring break yet, is it?
I don't know. There's tons of kids just playing around. Having a blast. Sounds very fun.
One's over there. But then, I don't know. There's like a bunch.
Yeah, everyone loves this tree. It's so pink.
Let's look at it.
Stand over there. So I can take a photo.
Huh?
Alright, I did something pretty cool. There was a little kids playing frisbees, and she knew that she would get hit in the face with it. And as it was about to hit her face, I caught it and then just threw it back at the other kid. I felt so cool.
So cool.
Wasn't I cool, babe?
You were so cool, babe. For the thank you.
Yeah.
Let's go. That one is pretty though.
But yeah, she wants to, you could do a TikTok rating every tea that you buy because everything's like less than $1. Yep, I think everything's pretty good. So the airport was ass. We landed at 5. We left the airport at like after 9. It was horrible. And then yeah, had a nice morning, had a good food, had a nice walk. Trains are easy. She had the kiwi. How is it?
It's like kiwi.
Tastes like kiwi? Mm-hmm. It's less than 50 cents. It's only like 30 cents or something like that.
38 cents. There's a blue bottle.
There's a blue bottle?
I wanna go here. Casino coffee shop.
We got a Full Metal Alchemist over there. We got some over stored here, and she's looking at little claw games over here. Wow. Beer in game. Interesting. Pizza? Why would I want to win a pizza? Anya. She wants this. No, I did not get it. Yeah, I'm not skilled at these at all. Do you want another one?
No, I don't want to walk back here.
Oh, yeah? Alright, we're gonna play some Pachinko, Don Quixote. Alright, let's go. Pachinko.
We're going to Don Quixote. Donki. Dude, that looks really good, this one. Look, looks like this. I need to get one of these.
I don't know, but I don't think I can post this on YouTube. Should I buy one of these
What is it?
as a gift?
To who?
Alright, I'm done looking at all the dildos. I flicked the dildo, it was really soft. And yeah. Alright, she's using the bathroom. I just bought a tea. Yep. Yeah, she likes this. She rated it 5 stars. Craft tea.
Oh, I want to try this.
Do you want that right now? No. She's so cute. She's already drinking like
This one?
hella of it. It's already halfway gone. She's thirsty.
Both?
Yeah. See, it lights up once you can afford it. Get me my change. Here, I'll get it so you don't have to touch it.
Okay. 2 stars out of 5.
My choices are always better.
This one's really good.
Yeah, she's chugging it.
Why are you
Yeah. 1,700 yen.
Huh?
Nothing. Alright, so now we know where she is. She's shopping. Look at her go. She's disappointed because nothing fit her. And now she says she's gonna go on a diet, but we all know that lie. She wants the banana and this cat and the chicken.
It's on sale, I think.
She wants to bring home a comforter and they're gonna cost hella and take hella room, and she's just feeling on all the blankets.
That one was the softest so far.
She really liked the one that cost $400. She likes this, the name of this place.
No, you do.
Hello, cutie. This place is like 9-to-1 ratio girls to guys.
I know.
Yeah, there's a lot.
Did you just realize that?
She's trying on all these nails.
Look, this one's pretty. nail polish.
Hmm?
I got hollow nail polish.
Oh yeah, you bought nail polish.
You want to see?
Look at you, little cutie. Alright. Look at her. You're a little cutie. No, I'm looking at you. With your weeb ass truck.
That's not even weeb.
I know. It's an otaku ass truck. I want the truck to keep playing the little girl music. Alright, my bougie ass girl. It's raining now. I want to go to Julian, whatever that is. I think it's got like, is it a hostess bar? Julian? 5,000 yen for 40 minutes? Like, what is this? What is Julian? It's right upstairs. Alright, so the set meal is like 1,900, but I want to eat at the udon place that's only 800, and it's right next door. No wait. Look at my baby. God damn, they're going downstairs still.
We're almost there.
I'm good.
Also scharfe Spinne aber also jetzt ist so momentan die Phase, wo du es auch mit anderen.
Alright vlog, we are done for the day. So 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. day?
Yeah,
Yeah. You have more lotion on your chin.
I do wear.
Chin.
That's my pimple
Oh,
patch.
pimple patch. Oh.
Why'd you expose it? It was
She's using
clear.
pimple patch. Alright.
I'm
Oh
trying
yeah.
out a new pimple patch.
Sika Care. Pimple patches. Dinner was tender.
I liked it. Did you like it?
The wait was too long.
It was a long wait, but well, we just have to compare with another tonkatsu place, see if it's just extremely better.
She almost got washed away by a tsunami of
I
water.
did. It was so much water.
Alright, quick haul. We got, I think this is veggie chips because she wanted this.
Veggie chips too,
She got potato chips or pizza chips.
because it was pizza.
That's normal. I got this. It was $1. It was 100 yen.
It
So
looks pretty good.
it's candy, but it's
noodle.
expired. I'm pretty sure. Candy noodles. Pretty sure it's expired because it was on clearance. All right. I don't know what the hell she done get. She manicure. This is a nail thing she bought. I don't know. She
Nail
bought some
polish.
nail polish thing. Lip cream. Oh, you took it out.
I'm using it already.
You can throw away the box or keep the box.
You can throw out the box.
Okay. Here's expensive $20 sunblock. It's really tiny. It's milk. Skincare milk. Apparently it's really nice, so we'll see. And then she bought socks and the pimple patches.
And a face wash.
And face washes. Yeah,
It's in the
shower.
already.
Yeah, I've been taking like hour-long showers to get the most out of this Aloft.
We don't take an hour.
I took it because, well, yeah. I took an hour-long shower because I had to handle, because if I had a tub, washing laundry would be so much easier. Oh yeah, and we bought contact solution. But besides that, they provide a lot of things. But yeah, I hand washed this, so this is all wet right here. Hopefully it dries. But yeah.
Let it dry, what are you gonna do?
Well, I have other clothes.
Do you?